Hi dolls, as you can tell by the title of this video, today will be a do-it-yourself elephant ring holder. So, everything is affordable. You can find the mirror at Dollar Tree. You can find the fix-all adhesive at Dollar Tree as well. And you just want to start by adding the glue to the bottom of your elephant. Make sure you use a thick layer and apply it all over the bottom of the elephant. Once you've added enough glue, you could slightly press the elephant onto the mirror, and that's basically it. You want to allow that to dry for 10 minutes, and then here you go. Once your elephant is dried, you can add your rings. Quick, easy, and simple. Everything was under $2. The elephant succulent and the mirror, both from Dollar Tree. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.